NCCER HVAC Level 1 Module 4 Introduction to Heat in Cast Iron. Sectional boiler heat exchangers are usually constructed of conduction. If you burn your finger by touching a hot surface, it is an example of secondary air. The air that is mixed in during the combustion process and helps push the byproducts of combustion out through the flue vent is known as blue with an orange tip. A gas burner flame should be infiltration. In a confined space or tightly sealed building, there may not be enough to provide makeup air to the furnace. Conduction. A gas-fired warm air furnace heats by condensing furnace. A cab reach efficiencies of 95% or more. Sectional boiler. A hydronic heating unit that consists of similar portions and is usually assembled at the installation site is called a open if the temperature exceeds 160 F. The safety limit switch in an electric furnace is usually set to atomized. Before fuel oil is burned, the oil must be is used to reheat the flue gases before they are vented. In a condensing furnace, the secondary heat exchanger induced draft furnace. A furnace that uses a fan to draw in and exhaust combustion air is a orifice. The size of the is one factor that determines the amount of gas that is delivered to a burner. Primary air. The gas burner will have a blue flame when approximately 50% of the is mixed with gas before ignition. Balance point. When the outdoor temperature falls below the a heat pump can no longer maintain the set point of a structure without supplemental heat. Spud. A number stamped on the shows the orifice size. Sectional boilers. A hydronic heating system may use fin tubes along the floor as heat exchangers. When the thermostat calls for heat from a gas furnace, the main burner may be lit by a current flowing through the causing it to become extremely hot. Thermocouple. If a standing pilot flame goes out, a loss of voltage from the will signal the gas valve control circuit to turn off the gas. Burner assembly and heat exchangers. In an electric furnace, the heating element replaces which of the following items found in a gas furnace? Add moisture to the air. Humidifiers are used to the gas pressure in the manifold. A manometer may be used to measure only for the high-efficiency condensing furnaces. Direct venting of flue gases with PVC pipe may be used Standing pilot. Older furnaces typically have a which always remains lit. Flame rectification. Furnaces with an electric spark ignition often use to prove the pilot flame has been established. Redundant gas valve. Most modern furnaces have two independent gas valves in series, which together are known as a Combustion is incomplete. Carbon monoxide is produced when Combustion. The chemical reaction between fuel, heat, and oxygen is known as Multipurpose furnace. A furnace that can be configured for upflow, downflow, or horizontal installation is a flows over the outside of the heat exchangers. In a forced air furnace, air butane. Of the following gases, the one with the highest heating value per cubic foot is natural gas furnace. An has an AFUE of less than 78%. False. The furnace blower should be operating while the air filter is being replaced. AFUE. The current industry standard for defining the overall efficiency of a furnace is the 26.5 C. A temperature of ADF is equal to manometer. One instrument used to measure pressure is a